guys, this is MaddenMobile Games, and you know what we're doing. You can see the title. This is why you clicked on this video. We are doing Legend to Ultimate Legend Upgrade Pack. Yeah, this is gonna be so hype. If we don't get a tight end. But, yeah. I'm here to test out my luck. Oh, alright, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna cover it up. I'm not looking. It's update team. Hit continue. So items, scroll over. Alright, here we go. Campus. Oh. Alright, and oh, Ed Dickerson. That's a new one. Holy crap. Let's see how much he goes for. Probably not a whole lot, but not a whole lot. $290K. That's pretty nice card. Good stats. Not comparable to Barry at all, besides trucking. But yeah, could put him there. And my mic fake only has 97 speed, 98. Let's see here. Just a little bit better. I'm gonna keep Ed. You know what? Yeah, what's this bringing me up to? 97 defense. I want to keep the Dickerson in there just because it looks really cool. So thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I will see y'all later. Peace.